very much for staying with us. A breaking update coming in from Haryana, where a railway protection force post in charge was shot dead while performing his lockdown duty in Hisar in Haryana, where one person we are getting to know has been arrested. Now, the RPF ASI Manish Kumar Sharma, who was shot dead last evening in the area of Hisar in Haryana, he was on patrolling duty on the railway track, where he spotted 5 youths sitting on the rail track. And when he asked them to move from that area, one of the youth we are getting to know opened fire at the ASI, who succumbed to his injuries. The police for now have arrested one accused, but the other managed to flee from the spot. So this is something which is absolutely shocking, coming to know from Hisar in Haryana, where despite not heeding to the request that was put forth by the policeman, by the Jawan, asking those youth who were sitting on the railway tracks to move away from the area, he was attacked and he was shot dead. Let's quickly listen into the reaction that we have filed up.
देखिए, आज शाम 8 बजे के आसपास सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी। आरपीएफ पुलिस पोस्ट के इंचार्ज एएसआई श्री मनीष कुमार रेलवे ट्रैक के सारे जा रहे थे। उनका साथ में एक और एम्प्लॉय भी था। वहाँ पर रेलवे ट्रैक के पास में 5-10 लड़के बैठे हुए थे। जब उन्होंने वहाँ पर बैठे रहने का कारण पूछा तो वो लड़के आपस में बहस करने लगे। इसी दौरान ही एक फायर हुआ जो मनीष कुमार को लगा। उनको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया, लेकिन वहाँ पर उनको मृत घोषित कर दिया गया। मौके से जनता के सहयोग से एक आरोपी संदीप को हिरासत में लिया गया है, जो कि मोट लोहारी थाना नारनौल हांसी का रहने वाला है और हाल ही में थोड़े दिन पहले पैरोल पे बाहर आया हुआ है। बाकी आरोपियों की हम तलाश कर रहे हैं। जीआरपी हिसार के द्वारा उनको बयान दर्ज करके अभियोग अंकित करने की कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Amandeep is joining us live with more inputs, because Amandeep, this is absolutely shocking. The RPF personnel was just doing his duty and asked those youth to move away from the railway tracks, but in turn a confrontation happened and he was shot dead.
Yes, exactly. It is very unfortunate that the railway protection force is all deployed at the railway stations to make sure, to ensure and enforce the lockdown situation. And in fact, any of them would be patrolling. So obviously, they will obviously question the people who are sitting on the railway tracks at this point in time. So when they ask about that, why they are sitting, what they are doing actually at the railway tracks. So all 5 have entered into a verbal spat, and following that, they have shot open fire to ASI, and which leads to the death of that ASI Mukesh Kumar. And this is very unfortunate. In fact, they are carrying a weapon and nobody knows about it. This is another question, that how they are carrying weapon and enter the railway station, in fact sitting openly on the railway tracks. This is another incident that should be probed. And in fact, the person who is arrested in this entire incident, he just come out on parole few months back, and he is accused of several attempt to murders, dacoity cases. This is what the police was telling us. And in fact, this is last night incident when it was a routine patrolling done by the RPF personnels on the railway tracks, just to verify, just to check that anybody and everybody cannot sit on the railway tracks, so just to vacate the railway tracks. And this is very unfortunate. Yes.
Absolutely, because an ASI succumbing to bullet wounds, we are getting to know that not all of them have been arrested till now. Police is now continuing with its investigation. The person who has been arrested with a dubious record as well. Thanks very much, Amandeep. Keep tracking that story for us.